Hi herb mates, and welcome back to my garden. For times when you feel overwhelmed or your heart feels heavy, there's a fierce yet gentle ally waiting for you in the garden, a true lion's heart herb in the mint family, Motherwort. Today we'll do a deep dive into Leonurus cardiaca, or Motherwort. We'll explore all its incredible benefits for your heart, both physical and emotional, as well as your nervous system and women's health. And we'll also make a soothing tea with Motherwort despite its bitter taste. As always, I want to remind you that you are in control of your own health. This is for educational purposes only. Do your own research. This herb is contraindicated in pregnancy. All right, let's take a closer look at Motherwort. You can tell it's in the mint family because of its square stem. It's literally square. And it has flowers that whirl. It's actually, this was a better example here, quite spiky, and that's where it gets its name, Motherwort, which actually translates to lion's heart. Leonurus cardiaca, lion's heart. If you crush one of the leaves and smell it, you'll notice it has a very bitter yet aromatic scent. Its energetics are cooling, drying, and relaxing, which give an idea of how it actually works in the body. Motherwort's strong, bitter flavor combined with its vasorelaxant effects, perfect combination for supporting blood pressure, heart muscle longevity, and elasticity. This deep support of the heart is exactly why it's called lion's heart. It's a plant that might look fierce with its spines, but it embodies a truly protective, nurturing energy. Much like a mother, it guards the heart both physically and emotionally, and helps you feel strong like a lion. So the best time to harvest Motherwort is when it is peak vibrancy and it is flowering. That's usually in mid-summer. A crucial note is you're going to want to wear gloves. Those calyxes are very spiky and they will puncture your fingers. All aerial parts are medicinal, so we'll be harvesting the stems, leaves, and flowers. While I harvest, let's jump into the medicinals of Motherwort. So first and foremost, it's a potent cardiac nervine. This means it works directly to calm and support the heart, especially when it's affected by stress. It's a sedative and nervine, and its mild vasodilating effect make it valuable for a range of issues. It's traditionally used for palpitations, anxiety attacks, stress that manifests in the heart, mild heart irregularities, and even hypertension. It genuinely helps to strengthen the heart itself, meaning it's actually tonifying to the heart. Emotionally, Motherwort is a profound ally for those feeling grief, heartbreak, or struggling with pent-up anger and emotional surges. It offers a deep sense of mothering comfort, providing courage when you feel vulnerable. Beyond the heart, Motherwort is widely used in female reproductive health. Its antispasmodic action on smooth muscle, like the uterine tissue, makes it excellent for painful or absent missed periods. It can also be very helpful for the right person during menopause. Herbalist Michael Moore once suggested it decreases the effects of adrenaline on the thyroid function for some individuals. While incredibly beneficial for postpartum recovery, Motherwort is not considered safe for use during pregnancy due to its uterine stimulating properties. All right, let's head inside to make some tea, but first let's grab some mint to make it a little more palatable. Today I'm making tea with Motherwort, but if you want to learn how to tincture it, I have some videos from Skullcap and Monarda that really go into the detailed process, and I'll link them somewhere, Some mint, ginger, Motherwort, and honey. All right, we're inside and ready to make a simple Motherwort tea. While tinctures are fantastic for long-term storage, a tea offers immediate comfort and a direct way to experience the plant. They're especially helpful in acute moments of stress or emotional upset. So for this, I'm using our fresh Motherwort that we just harvested. You can also use it dried. And to mask the bitter taste, I'm going to come in with some ginger, mint, and honey. So I'm just going to chop up the ginger and add everything to the mug. And pour over some boiling water. I let it steep for about 10 minutes before I like to strain and drink it. While the tea is steeping, I did go ahead and prepare a quick tincture of the rest of the motherwort we harvested together. While I wait for my tea to finish brewing, I went ahead and prepared my tincture to put on the shelf of my apothecary. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and strain the solids out. It smells really good. Add some honey. The ginger, mint, and honey really mellow out the bitterness of the motherwort. So that's motherwort, a truly vital herb for our modern life. From soothing palpitations and anxiety to helping support women's reproductive health, it offers compassionate yet fierce protection. Please let me know in the comments how you use motherwort or other heart-centered herbs. And if this video helped you appreciate motherwort's gifts, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me reach a larger audience, and I really appreciate your support. As always, please like and subscribe so we can grow, harvest, and heal together.